Duppy woman under the Guinep tree. A young man grew up in the countryside of St. Thomas, Jamaica. He lived on a hill that had only 2 street lights. There was a Guinep tree in the middle of the hill, 7 houses from where he was living. Elders of the district warned the little children not to climb the Guinep tree, because there is a woman that was buried near to the tree. Some residents who passed there at nights claimed to have seen her. One night, the young man was coming from his cousin's house about 10:30 p.m. and the night was dark.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
His cousin lived on the bottom of the hill. On his way, he turned on his flashlight on his phone trying to see the way ahead. As he was about to reach the Guinep tree, the light went off. He continued walking but was wondering how the light went off when his phone was fully charged. By the time he reached his gate, the light came back on by itself. It was strange, but he didn't think anything of it. When he got home, he told his mother what happened. That's when she told him that it's the Duppy woman. His mother told him that she was buried under the Guinep tree for about 45 years. 2 days after, one of his friends got a visit in a dream from the Duppy woman. She said to tell him that next time he should hold down his light. From that day, whenever he was passing there, he held down his light.
Check out the playlist below for more.